This is a 2015 Charger. Some of the earlier models won't have this, but a little heads up to all you guys building the Smith Ute out of the Charger. This is the rear door harness. I have it stuck on here. I took this out of the rear door. This is a police car. This is the connector that, fits in here. So we're going to be taking two of these wires on the inside. They're, brown, and they go to this right here, which is an antenna. So this is an antenna inside the door for some of the door locks and things like that. But you might have this in your car. Go ahead and keep it. There's your color-coded wires. It looks like gray and purple and gray and bright orange. You can follow it if you want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting the gray and purple, gray and bright orange lines right there. I'll remount this antenna right here inside of the door area rather than outside. So the rest of the harness you won't be needing. You'll see the lights here this is the light for one of the doors. There's some plugs for the power motors and things like that. None of those things you need, but you probably will need that little antenna piece. And like I said, I'm just going to be mounting it inside the door pillar rather than inside the door. The other thing you might want to know is that the fuel cap, and I'll move around here as I build this car, the fuel cap, you drill a 1 3/8 inch hole right behind where you mount, the cap. So let it line up. I put a 1 3/4 inch hole immediately all the way to the top. If I was to peel this down, the hole is pretty much right at the top of the door, or of the, the bedside here. And that allows you, this car's filthy, that allows you to mount your emergency release right here. And then you're going to remount the wire that goes to the power release for the cap. Instead of having it on the outside here where it was, you're going to be putting it on the inside. And so you can see here with all the dust, I just run it and took the wire out of this little rubber piece. That's a 2-inch hole saw. And then I run the stock harness up to the fuel tank, or to the fuel fill. There you go.